Hello and welcome to this video. So in this video we are going to install Atom, and we can install this on both Windows, macOS and Linux. So it works on pretty much every operating system that you would imagine it would be used on. You can go into package if you want to, and even install external package like something that will extend the functionality of PHP, like for example PHP debugger or similar things. And you can go into themes and install a material theme instead if you want to. It's all up to you. So it's a really functional code editor where people can make their own package, download other people's package, and then extend it. In this course we are not gonna install any third parties in the editor. We're just gonna go with the default Atom editor through the course. So when this is opened up, we have this file and we drag it inside the applications folder where you have this installed. And when you open it up, we will have this window, and then you can basically go from there and open files or make a new file. And the editor is quite easy to use. Like, you can go here, new file, or just command or control depending on what operating system you're on to make a new file, or CMD-O for open, or control again. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.